everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayaan. We are in Eggplant garden and tomatoes over there. Now here's the eggplant leaf and maybe these are daddy eggplant and this is mommy eggplant. Funny. And this is grandpa eggplant. This is grandma eggplant. Oh look, the mini is eggplant of all. And the same here. Now, oh, it looks like a maze again. We are gonna go here. Which way to go again? Maybe this way. This is Brinjal flower. This is mommy flower and this is daddy flower. And here's a big one. And I will give it to my mom as a present. Now which way do I go? Oh, this way. We're gonna go this way. Brinjal is really healthy. We eat all time. I didn't eat brinjal for weeks and weeks. No, I mean months and months. I'm gonna pick brinjal or not. I wanna eat brinjal. Why? Okay, fine. And now which way? Oh, look, there's a look, that mini. Oh, look, you can see the mini. Come on closer. See this green? See this green thing? I can dig and show you all the greens. And here. See all the greens? Dirty too. Oh, here's another one. You can see a flower fallen down. And let's go find some eggplant. Flowers. Look around, lots of brinjal trees. Oh, sticky traps. We see it yesterday. Now let's go to the sticky trap. Let's go. Look, eggplant trees. Gonna go closer. And oh, yes, I found a pig fruit. It's stuck with glue. Ew, it's really have glue. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Just joking. Oh, there's more sticky traps there. But how this sticky trap works? So I will show you. See this thread of glue? The same in here and here, and inside, but not humans. So it's called a sticky trap. But I don't want to. What? What? Oh, I can rub it off. Look, lots of ink stuck and die. And you can read what's in here. You see there's labels here, but not here. You gonna see? Come on. Here. What is those here? And the same here. Now we're gonna see this wall trap in the sticky trap. Why? I don't see it. Now come on. This is all for today in eggplants. We'll come in another day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, bell button. Don't forget. Now I need to go.